So I started my month in Paris at an apartment in the 13th arrondissement. However, there was a fire, and I had to relocate to a hotel in the 4th. So let's explore. There was a ton of great art in the galleries around the Place de Vosges. So cool. I loved these paint buckets. They were by an artist called Stéphane Brode. This is the Musée Histoire de Paris Carnavalet, or something like that. The history of Paris, basically. And it was so cool. It had everything from fully decorated rooms to fully ornately created ceilings, beautiful gardens. And it had so many cool windows that were slightly pastel, but different in almost every room. I loved this panel. They had 4 or 5 of them, but just so ornate, so beautiful. More windows. Then I was at the new hotel. So tiny. So let's go out, shall we? Somebody's making a TikTok. Okay, here's today's fit check. I really love the sounds of the city, even the sirens. I know there's an emergency, but I always feel like I'm in the Bourne Identity. Ooh, cats. But just listen. It's Paris. These are called the bouquinistes, although I'm probably slaughtering the pronunciation. One of my favorite iconic things in Paris. These are all individual shop owners, and these are their shops. So I like to pick up a souvenir or two from here every time I go. I'm a really awkward content creator because I'm not at all comfortable filming in front of people. This is the Ile de Cité. Nope. Ile Saint-Louis. I have to say, it's like probably the quietest place I've been in Paris. It's the island next to the island that has Notre Dame. I'm just looking for a cafe so I can sit down and have something to drink. There's people speaking behind me in French, but I don't know what they're saying. This is my first time having a savory crepe. It's got chicken and egg. It's fantastic so far, and I've only eaten the crispy edges. I don't even care if it's not fantastic, because look where I'm eating lunch. I love Friends in French.
L'eau n'est pas chaude, les sels ne se dissolvent pas et surtout, ils sont pénétrants.
Okay, morning fit check. This sweater is literally 40 years old and it's original. I'm the only owner. Look at my cute little Peaky Blinders hat. It's not as cliche as Marais, but I think it's maybe a little cliche, but I don't care. Going to the flea market. There are flea markets all over Paris. This one was somewhere in the 5th arrondissement. Check out that cool paint palette. Don't mind the creepy zombie doll heads. And probably my favorite thing is the open air markets with all the fresh food. So good. Well, that's the end of my first week in Paris.